Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be reviewing the Maybelline blushed nudes palette. But before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. I post reviews, DIYs and tutorials, so stay connected by subscribing. How the palette looks like. And on the back side of the palette you can get the ingredient list and how you can use this palette in how many ways, or using how many colors you can create the eye looks. You can definitely see it on the back side of the palette. On the back side of the palette it is mentioned which color you can use for what purpose, so it is really good because if you are a beginner then you can definitely see it and apply the colors. So this retails for 949 rupees and you will get 9 grams of product. But you can get it on a discount rate from Nykaa or on purple.com. The shelf life of the product is around 36 months. You can get all these details on the sticker sticked on the side of the palette. So now it is a very tiny palette, very handy. You can carry it even if you're traveling. So when you open the palette, you get these 12 colors and an applicator along with it. So this includes 11 shimmery shades and 1 matte shade. So this is the applicator, which has a sponge on the one side and brush on the other side. You can definitely use this to create any eye look. The shades are very neutral. If you like everyday look with a hint of shimmer, then you can definitely go with this palette. Talking about the pigmentation, it is not very pigmented, but you can definitely work with this if you apply it using your fingers or a wet brush. I like this palette because of the neutral colors it has, and the pigmentation is not very good, but still for everyday look or for a little bit a party look, you can definitely use this palette. So this was all for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, then do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. You can even follow me on my social medias. The link will be in the description box. So till my next video, take care and bye bye.